Once you have imported a collection of files and folders and seen what we mean by maximum visibility and quick zoom, you've reached the point when you can start to take advantage of Topicscape's next major benefit, the ability to locate the same topic in several places. Not a copy, the same thing. So if you change it in one location, all other instances change as well. This means that you can connect anything to anything. Looking at the Topicscape information landscape, you probably wonder how that can be done, and the purpose of this video is to show you. Here's a collection of personal reference information built up over years in a very large repository of computer files, notes and shortcuts. Now that we have this spread out in a 3D view, we can spot improvements that could be made to the way topics are organized. For example, there's a section on headhunters and recruitment websites, and another on jobs and career. It would be good to bring those together. So we put the mouse over headhunters and we press Alt-M for move. The topic with its associations is detached and ready for you to drop under a different parent. Drag it across to jobs and career and drop it, and the landscape immediately changes. Then we notice that our collected information, pension and retirement, really belongs under money, so we treat it the same way. And over here, there's a duplication that we hadn't noticed before. IMGT and Institute of Management. So we can click on IMGT, drag the green connector dot to the other topic and select Merge. All the contents of the first topic selected will be moved to the second. Any topics associated with the first topic will be associated with the second instead, and the first topic will be deleted. Pressing Home to go back to the overall view, and we see there's a topic, Personal Legal. And we recall that we have another topic in the general reference section called Law, and it would be useful to have those connected in case we wanted to find general legal reference when dealing with personal legal matters. First, we make an instance of Personal Legal in the pending tray by clicking on it and dragging the green dot We're not moving Personal Legal. When we drop it on another topic, it will remain where you see it now, but another instance of it will be found somewhere else, wherever we drop it. Now we find Law by deciding word Law, choosing to look into topic names only. To do that, I didn't press Ctrl F3, I just stopped typing because Topicscape is already ready for you to type a search now unless you're editing text. Here it is in 3D hit list. You can have this in a 2D panel if you wish. Click on that topic and the landscape will be organized around it. This is what we call a current topic. Drag the topic from the pending tray, drop it in Law, and choose Child. And here it is, Personal Legal, now under Law. To get back, we can just click on grey alternative parent, Personal. When we try this, if you don't see grey parent, press the function key F9, which shows or hides them. Now, Personal Legal appears in two places. It's still here under Personal. You can see other examples of the benefits of having multi-parent capability. You might want to add holidays as another instance under leisure and education. Books under purchasing. Here I didn't need to use the pending tray because these topics are visible in this part of the information landscape. Now the notes and references start to take on new life and become much more useful. Items can appear in several places, so you'll find them more readily and don't have to remember everything you kept for future reference. In case you haven't seen other videos of Topicscape, I'll mention that each topic can hold as many files, notes and web pages as you want, like this one on health and food. I'll just go back to the home position for the overall view.